So I had trouble sleeping one day and I was listening to white noise on YouTube, and I thought, what if you had different types of white noise in an Android app and they're all easily accessible and it's just nicely designed. So my app is called Celestial Sounds and it's on Google Play right now. Isn't that cool? It actually has a free and a premium version. You can use it to block out outside noises and to help you sleep or read or even work. Apart from white noise, you also have like brown noise and blue noise, which are just different parts of the frequency spectrum. I've made my own noise profiles and I've tried to match them to each planet, you know, the feel of each planet. I thought the sun would be like really bassy, it's really big. And a planet like Neptune has some like water, sea, beach noises. It has an alternative marble theme in the settings, but of course I think for space, you know, I chose this dark theme because it's a sleeping app and it's designed with a space theme, so I felt like a dark mode is the obvious choice. Yeah, you can download it right now on Google Play. You can make an app yourself if you have an idea. I have a video about how to make an app if you want to check that out. Okay, thank you, goodbye.